lovelies, I'm out for a beautiful walk, enjoying the beautiful nature. I'm so eager to start painting the other rooms. Despite being tired, I'm filled with excitement to see how everything will turn out. Don't do the painting exactly like I do, because I'm not even using the blue bordering thing so that it doesn't get on other surfaces. Don't do it like I do. Do it correctly. It's because I moved here, I've got all the equipments, but I can't find everything. Oh, they're still all boxed up, and we need to get this done quickly so we can, because we have a lot of projects to be done, and I need to get this done as soon as possible. So that's done. So it's just for a few minutes. Oh yeah, there was a little touch-up, a small little touch-up as well somewhere here. I don't even know how that happened. It's just super weird. It should have been, something happened there. I'm not sure what it is, and I do not want to, so it will just be a small little glitch, but we'll be okay. And I think this section here, I know you can just see white, but this section here needs to be done. Well, that section, because it looks, with the naked eye, it looks a bit like there's some blue coming through. So I will do that later when I start doing the kitchen and I've got this paint open, or the corridor, so I'll just come back and touch it before I put a mirror up or something. Yeah, so it's looking good so far. Any other touch-up, we'll just come back to it later. So let's get started with the second coating on the doors, the inside of the doors, yeah. It's looking like the second coating is making a big difference, which is good. So it's a good paint. Hey guys, so I'm starting on the next room. I never know where to look, you know, every time I look here and then I think I'm supposed to look on in the camera there. But yeah, so if you see my face looking confused, looking different side, just know is sometimes I'm looking straight at the camera instead of there. But anyway, so I've started on the third room in the house. So yeah, so the storage and the bathroom is done, sort of, because I know I probably will find something probably like a little patch and say, oh, that I missed a bit. Yeah, but I can do that later. So it worked so well. So I put all the stuff which was in this room unpacked. It was a lot. I didn't even think I could find anywhere to put them. So I'm wearing this because of the dust. I might do a bit of sanding on some sections. But yeah, so everything fitted between the storage and the bathroom. And I put everything, so we are only left here with, as you can see, just the bed, the dresser and the cupboard. And thank God it has wheels, so I managed to move it. So I need to start with the ceiling. And with this room, I will use a primer just so that it can be quicker, because while I was moving things, all the things that were unpacked, I found things that I thought I couldn't find, for example, the primer, which is amazing. So now this time I can use the primer so that I don't have to do too many coats, fingers crossed. So yeah.
You take mine, now you think it is fine. Doesn't make me so blind, you just waste a lot of time. I thought we're gonna fill this love, paint with some colors, now you don't. You forget all the memories, you close your eyes. You say that we stay friends, but you still went away. What I want, hold your hands till the ends. What you want is to end, say goodbye. Show it out, what am I supposed to do? Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why you wanna hurt and understand it. Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why you wanna hurt and understand that I'll be alright. Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear. With every breath I take, I'm grateful you are near. Thank you for the laughter, thank you for the tears. Thank you for the moments that we hold dear. Thank you for the love, thank you for the light. I'm grateful every day, you make my world so bright. The world can be a crazy place with valleys and with geeks, but you bring joy into my life, turn frowns into cheeks. Through all the ups and downs, you've been my saving grace. With every step we take, our love will find its place. can be a crazy place with valleys and with geeks, but you bring joy into my life, turn frowns into cheeks. Through all the ups and downs, you've been my saving grace. With every step we take, our love will find its place.
By the way, guys, this looks like it's universal. So this is a new roller handle, new rollers, and this still fitted in this old stick that I had from before. So that's amazing.
I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear. With every breath I take, I'm grateful you are near. So grateful. Thank you for the laughter, thank you for the tears, thank you for the moments that we hold dear. Thank you for the love, thank you for the light. I'm grateful every day, you make my world so bright. The world can be a crazy place with valleys and with geeks, but you bring joy into my life, turn frowns into cheeks. Through all the ups and downs, you've been my saving grace. With every step we take, our love will find its place.
I'm not sure what's going on, but that roller is soaking a lot of paint. But it's painting really well. I mean, I feel like I might just do one coating like this. It's also the paint. The paint is amazing. It's so much thicker. I might do just one coating here, which is amazing. So save me a lot of time. So this is Johnson & Johnson, while the other paint was, I can't even remember what the name was. Let me check again. So the other one was Leyland Matte Emulsion, and this one is Johnson & Johnson, and I didn't expect it. I thought it was going to be like poor quality, but I thought I could just work with it. It is thick, and this is sort of the same, but then it's vinyl matte. So it's matte, but it's still got a nice sheen to it. It doesn't look so like powdery, and so it looks like as if it will turn brown anytime soon. So it looks good compared to, and probably less coating. But I will still put primer on the walls because I just want to make sure I am doing only 1 to 2 coats. Because this means after this room is fixed that quick enough, the next room, the living room, I'll be done much quicker than the other two. I'm going to start on the doors on the inside of the rooms. end the vlog here, and in the next vlog, we'll start on the living room. Thanks for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Like, comment, and share.